Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to be learning about how can we use left function in an Excel workbook. So in this sheet I have created a table in which I have written the full name of the persons. So what I'll do is I'll just drag the first name out of it by using the left function. So what I'll do is I'll just write equal to left, and as you can see I will press tab, so it will give. So in this I have to first select the text. So I have selected the text, then I have to select the number of characters. So in this there is 1 2 3 4 5 characters. I'll just press enter, so it will give the first name for me. But if I drag till bottom, so what it will do is it will only give the five characters. So to get the first name fully, what I'll do is I'll just have to write three, as you can see here, 3 4 5 6. So I'll have to write 6 here, and in this case there is 1 2 3 4. So I'm getting the required output, but I'm getting also one extra spaces. So I'll just type 4, just press enter. In this there is 3 3 6 comma 6, press enter, because as you can see here there is 6 characters. So I'll just write 6, and here 3 3 6 7 characters are there. So I'll just write 7. Here it is right, and here also. So by using left function you can get the output uh, which you want to, like, there is, in this case there is first name. So I hope you find this video useful, and if you find this video useful, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe for more,